I was working in a local sports centre. So I was like, I'll try college. And I came along and all the people were excellent, so I've stayed ever since.
The staff are really helpful and supportive, and they all have their different teaching styles, which I think is fun because you don't have the same lesson after lesson.
The teachers are here to help you. They want you to pass the course. They give us as much opportunity to help us.
There's a lot of competitions and trips on the course. With CCF we got to go rock climbing, on walks and mountain biking, and obviously with the college itself we got to go to different courts and different trips like expedition where we get to do loads of activities. In the future I'd hope to try either get into the police force straight from the 2 years or go into H&D, which I could learn to be a paramedic.
You just get the opportunity to meet new people. Everyone is really friendly up here. You get the opportunity to play sport. There's loads of different teams available, and if you want to start a new team, you can just get involved in that with all the lecturers and just make it inclusive for yourself.